My name is Raylene Hilland. I'm the contracting officer's representative and project engineer for the Lower Pool 10 Habitat Rehabilitation and Enhancement Project. We're in Guttenberg, Iowa, and the project is located just upstream of Lock and Dam 10. So we're doing island restoration and preservation. We're placing sand, topsoil, and riprap or rock on the islands to rebuild them or to save them from high water events, from erosion. What I think is interesting about the project, this first island that we're working on has just under half the sand for stage 1. It's a little over half a mile long, about 100 feet wide, which I think is really interesting.